My goodness, guys, I did something accidentally and it's fantastic. I gotta have you check this out. So, this just came off my big printer, and look at how this looks. Wow. Like, this is honestly the best surface print I've seen this printer produce. And surprisingly, this, compared to the other ones I printed, is just so much more rigid. What in the world? So, somehow, I'm pretty sure, in my settings, and I'm not even sure where to find it because I was trying to turn it off, I ended up getting my top and bottom layer to only run one direction. So it's just stacking on top like this. It's not running a path like this. So as you notice, it's a lot easier to kind of see through, and you're not getting that cross pattern. What you're seeing on the inside there is the infill, and that's a gyroid infill. Now honestly, when I had put this on here, I wasn't super stoked about doing the gyroid infill because, you know, the speed at which I was printing the infill at, it was really like creeping back and forth. So what I'll at least do is probably turn the speed of the infill down a little bit. But my goodness, that looks fantastic, and it is so stiff, surprisingly stiff, and the pattern on the inside is just really neat. I mean, that gyroid, the camera is just not doing it. Right there is about as good. Like, that just looks cool. I mean, it might work better if I'm, yeah, look at this pattern in different places. Anyways, it's, wow, there we go. That's about the best. It just looks really, really good. I am happily impressed with this. It's almost zero stringing. I'm definitely saving this profile. This profile is gold as far as a really nice surface print. It took a little bit longer than I was expecting this print to take, but I think that's worth it. I would not eat the cost, but I would definitely wait longer to have this as a finish. My goodness. I'm only sorry to the client that I didn't make every single one of his pieces look like this. He'll only get a couple like this, but, you know, I can always redo it if he absolutely wants me to. You know, it is an R&D and research process. I am actively changing profiles and having to switch things out, you know, to try different things to make it work better. But we nailed it on this one. I mean, I was trying different settings to make these print good, you know, after printing about 20, or after printing about 30 of these out of 40, you know, the settings got nailed. And a lot of those I did print, you know, 4 at a time. So it's not like I was changing settings on every single one. But I was having a hard time with this one printing 2 different pieces only because it kept on peeling up on, or what was it? For some reason, I think this is like a high flow nozzle, or maybe this fan's honestly just not powerful enough. I was getting a little bit of heat creep, and it was clogging up. So as long as the filament pushes through fast enough, the filament itself cools part of this upper part down. Well, maybe it doesn't, but anyways, as long as you're pushing enough filament through, it won't jam. But man, I am just super impressed with that. And I'm honestly, let's look on Cura here, because I'm not sure. Oh, I'm sorry, I did this without putting smoothing on. This video is going to be super shaky. I can already see the comments. I apologize if you're going to write in the comments that this was a really rough video. I'll try to hold it still, but I really don't want to do it. This is super cool. Yeah, so looking at, just ignore that. What in the world did I do to make the lines go like that? So we've got, this wasn't even what I did it on. There it is. Okay, we've got, let's do print settings, layer height. I'll just if you want similar settings, this is on a 0.8 nozzle. There's my layer heights, wall line count, alternate extra wall, top bottom thickness, enable ironing, infill. It's gotta be something to do with these top bottom layers. Like, what is not turned on? Maybe to overlap. Is that it? Top bottom lines are in an ordering that causes them to always overlap with adjacent lines in a single direction. This takes slightly more time to print, but makes flat surfaces look more consistent. That might be it. I'm not sure. We'll see if it's turned on mine. Because I might have accidentally turned it on. I mean, sometimes that's what happens. Is like, sometimes what I've done, because I have so many of these Curas open, and from what I've seen is like the last one open auto saves the files on whatever's there. So like this Tahoe sub, file, like if I close all my Curas out, whatever's the last one, and I reopen it, that's what's going to be pulled up here. So it does kind of save it, but when I've got a bunch of these open and I've made changes, if I'm not actively saving it, that's where I've kind of screwed myself up. So I am definitely creating a new profile from this one. This is going to be clean, big print. That's terrible, but whatever. And then let's see, mono, no, that wasn't turned on. What is making it do that? I'm literally not even sure. Yeah, look at the lines. What setting is making it do the same lines going that way? I didn't even know I could do that, honestly. 5 years into printing, and I didn't realize I could, the benefits of running the lines just right over top of each other. What in the world? We've got to find this, guys. We've got to find this. Okay, let's try this, guys. Let's turn this on and just see what happens. Looks like the same exact thing. Okay, so I don't know, like if I turn it off, maybe it was like on by accident? No, that's still going the right way. Top bottom pattern lines. Is it because zigzag maybe? Is that what zigzag is? Did I turn it to lines and that what it does? No. What is it? Layer thickness, is it like layered direction maybe? Let's see. Is there a, where's the advanced settings? What the heck? Maybe it's because I need to be here. No. Where'd the other screen go? What the heck? I'm gonna have to like there it is. Top surface, no. Top bottom line directions. I bet that's it. Okay, so what happens if I do 0? Slice. So I just changed top bottom line direction. Yeah, that's what did it, I think. Yeah. Okay, so top bottom line direction. If you want a really cool, I'm sorry this video took forever to get there. I probably could have told you all this in 2 minutes, but this is how you investigate and get what you're looking for. Okay, see now it's not, oh, maybe I have to have both brackets. So if you want the lines, hey, does that work? Let's see. No. Bracket 1. Man, what the heck? Okay, let's try. Yeah. Okay, so you have to have the brackets and you gotta type it in with the brackets. But we're literally learning together here. So that's why this isn't just a straight up instructional video. This is just something that I saw was amazing and wanted to share with you. I'm not sure the strength benefits of this or if there are any, but for particular transparent prints, that's going to be a fantastic finish. So check out those settings in your prints, try them out, and we will see you in the next video. Like, share, subscribe. definitely share this with people if they got a big printer, or if you want really cool transparent prints that you can actually see into. I didn't know about that, so I'm sure a lot of other people didn't. Digging into Cura settings can be really intimidating, but that's how you can kind of find new things, and that was even totally accidental on my part. So have a good day, guys. Peace out.